Are you tired of boring salads that leave you hungry an hour later? Today, we reveal how this single grain transforms your lunch into a high-protein, longevity-promoting fuel station. Unlike traditional grains that are mostly carbohydrates, quinoa is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue effectively. Let's break down the science. When you mix quinoa with lentils or edamame, you create a power bowls that delivers steady energy and sustains satiety without the sugar crash associated with processed foods. Registered dietitians recommend adding seeds and fresh veggies to these recipes because they significantly boost your fiber intake, which is crucial for gut health and maintaining stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. These nutrient-dense salads are specifically engineered to be perfect for meal prep. Their Mediterranean flavors stay vibrant even after sitting in the fridge, making them ideal for quick weeknight dinners. By choosing a vegan quinoa salad rich in plant-based nutrients, you are not just eating a meal. You are actively fueling your day with ingredients designed to promote longevity and overall physical vitality. The most impressive fact is that by simply swapping a standard carb-heavy bowl for this colorful blend, you instantly upgrade your nutrition profile while enjoying delicious textures and tastes from a single bowl. So there you have it. Quinoa is the secret weapon for high-protein meal prep. What protein-packed salad will you try this week? Let me know your favorite combination in the comments below.